The Lumetri Scopes Panel in Adobe Premiere Pro is a critical tool for professional color correction and grading. It provides visual representations of your video's color and luminance data, allowing you to make precise adjustments. Here's what you can do with it. 1. Waveform Monitor displays the luminance, brightness, and RGB information of your footage. It helps ensure that your exposure levels are correctly balanced. 2. Vectorscope shows the color information of your footage, indicating hue and saturation levels. This is essential for ensuring consistent color grading, especially for skin tones and broadcast standards. 3. RGB Parade breaks down the red, green, and blue color channels separately. It helps you see and correct any imbalances in the color channels. 4. Histogram displays the distribution of luminance values in your footage, helping you understand the overall exposure and contrast. 5. YUV Vector Scope, similar to the standard vector scope, but shows the color data in the YUV color space, which can be useful for broadcast work. These scopes provide critical feedback on your color adjustments, ensuring that your video meets the desired visual standards and looks professional.